हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू ऑल ऑन योर चैनल कॉमर्स विजन। और स्वागत करता हूं मैं आपके अपने चैनल कॉमर्स विजन पे। और स्टार्ट करते हैं फिर से बैंकिंग चैप्टर के जो टॉपिक्स छूट गए थे उनको हम डिस्कस करेंगे। वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ चेक, ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट मीनिंग ऑफ चेक, parties of check and features of check. I hope you got all the points. If still you have not watched that video, please visit to the class 10th playlist and watch that video, because this chapter is the most important chapter regarding the banking chapter. So today I am here to discuss about the types of check. I am here to discuss about the types of check. We having especially two types of check: open check and cross check. Yes, I hope you got the meaning. We having two types of check: open check and cross check. So without wasting a time, we have start types of check. So student, first of all we have to discuss about what is the meaning of open check. Listen carefully, what is the meaning of open check? The check that is not crossed. Yeah, the check that is not crossed, because student, we know that we having two types of check: open check and cross check. First one is the open check, second one is the cross check. What is the meaning of open check? So check that is not crossed means वो check बेटा जिस पे क्रॉसिंग ना हो, where we have no get two parallel line, where we have not get two parallel line, such type of check is known as a open check, and it is cash payment to the counter. और बेटा इसका जो पेमेंट होता है मीन्स बैंक हैज मेड पेमेंट थ्रू द काउंटर, मीन्स दिस अमाउंट ऑफ दिस चेक विल बी नॉट ट्रांसफर टू योर अकाउंट. ओके, एंड इन दिस चेक bank account is not compulsory. In this check bank account is not compulsory. Okay, so first of all, the first check we having open check. Open check is what? Such a check which one is not crossed, means which one having no two parallel line. Such type of check is known as a open check, and cash payment through the counter. Bank account is not compulsory. Okay, I hope you got it. What is the meaning of open check? Open check is such type of check where we having no two parallel line on the check. So such type of check is known as open check. In cash, this type of check in cash through the counter, and bank account is not compulsory. Okay, next one is trend. We having two types of open check. First one is the bearer check, second one is the order check. Listen carefully. First one is the bearer check, second one is the order check. Bearer check can be in cash by the name the person, where the suppose that we have written here Aman. So this check will be in cash through the Aman, or by anyone. Suppose that Aman has given to Shubham, so Shubham will get the money. If suppose that Shubham will give to Ashish, so Ashish will give the money. So it can be in cash by the name of the person or by anyone who can present the check. मतलब जो present करेगा check का amount उसी को मिल जाता है. In this type of check, bearer check. How can we have identified as a bearer? When we having get the or bearer. When like Aman or bearer means such type of check is known as a bearer check. Okay. It can be negotiable. Negotiable means it can be transferred or pass one another person by mere the delivery. Endorsement not required. अब आपके माइंड में आता होगा, how can we transfer this check with one person to another person? Means one person to another person. Suppose that ये है मिस्टर अमन, अब ये अमन शुभम को ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं चेक. So suppose that Aman will transfer to Shubham, so Shubham will encash the cash this check. यहाँ नाम भले अमन का है, लेकिन जिसको मिला the person who present the check, he will get the money. In case of bearer check, if Aman will given to Shubham, so Shubham will get the money, or Shubham will give to Ashish, so Ashish will give. Suppose that Shubham will transfer to Ashish, so who will get money? Ashish will get money. So this check will be easily transferred to the one person to another person. Endorsement not required. Endorsement not required. Endorsement I will discuss later on. What is the meaning of endorsement? Endorsement means it is an official procedure to transfer the check one person to another. But in case of bearer check, no need of endorsement. Without endorsement, check will be transferred. Means by mere delivery, the check will be transferred to the one person to another person. So what is the meaning of bearer check? In case of bearer, we have to use suffix or bearer. It can be in case by the name of a person or anyone who can present the check. या तो वो person उसको इनकैश कर सकता है या कोई next person. Anyone who present the check can by negotiable or passed on to another person by mere delivery. Endorsement is not required. Endorsement is not required. अब आपके माइंड में आता होगा कि what is the meaning of endorsement? Just Clarify करता हूँ what is the meaning of endorsement. When we have write the back side of the check, this particular check will be transferred, या this particular amount will be transferred to that particular person. Means ये amount इस person को transfer किया जा रहा है. We have to write the back side of the check. So this process is known as the endorsement. But in case of bearer check, no need of endorsement. Check will be easily transferred to the one person to the another person. I hope you got it. What is the meaning of bearer check? In case of bearer, we have to use or bearer. It can be easily transferred to the one or another person to another person. And who get money? Anyone who present the check can get the money. It can be easily transferred to the one person to another person. It by mere delivery. Endorsement is not required. Generally, identification is not required in case of bearer check. Listen carefully. Identification is not required in case of bearer check. मान लीजिए कि आशीष ने रिप्रेजेंट किया चेक को, तो बैंक नहीं पूछेगा कि आप आशीष हैं या नहीं है. इन मोस्टली यही होता है. लेकिन अगर ह्यूज अमाउंट है, सपोज दैट इन केस ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर चेक इट हैज मेंशन 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees, so that time maybe bank asks to that particular person regarding identification. But generally identification is not required. In case of bearer check. So student, bearer check is a part of open check. Bearer check, we have used suffix bearer. It can be easily transferred to the one person to another. And who can get money? Anyone who present the check. And generally identification is not required. I hope you got bearer check. What is the meaning of order check? Listen carefully. Order check is what? Payable to a particular person. Listen carefully. When we have cut, अब आपके माइंड में आता होगा सर ये bearer आप लिख रहे थे तो आप ये bearer check था. How can we have understand it is order check? We have to strike this bearer name. We have to cut the bearer. जैसे हम उस bearer को cut करते हैं, it will become this bearer check will be converted to which type of check? It will be converted to the order check. And suppose that I have cut this bearer and I will write Aman. So this check will be payable to only particular person. When? How can we have changed this one? If or bearer is stricken off, the check will become which type of check? The check will become order check. So we can convert the bearer check into the order check. कैसे भाई? इस bearer को कट करके. And the pay can further transfer. If Aman want in this time, listen carefully. In case of order check, if Aman wants transfer this check to Subham, so is it easily transferred to Subham? No. In this case, in case of order check, in this case we need endorsement. If pay, who is a pay? Aman is a pay in this condition because already I have explained what is the meaning of pay. A person who received the money. तो यहाँ पे नाम किसका है? अमन का है. तो अमन चाहता है ट्रांसफर किसको करना? If Aman wants to transfer to Mr. Shubham, so pay can further transfer this check to the third party, and third party is the Shubham. Endorsement. By endorsing the check, how can we transfer? Aman have to write. Aman को लिखना पड़ेगा the back side of the check. This check will be transferred to whom? Subham. And this process is known as the endorsement. This process is known as the endorsement. So in case of order check, if a payee want to transfer, if payee want to be negotiable in this type of check, in which type of check? In case of order check, so endorsement is required. But in case of bearer check, endorsement is not required. And last one, most important thing, in case of order check student, bank insist आइडेंटिफिकेशन बिफोर पेमेंट. मतलब बैंक आपसे आपकी आइडेंटिफिकेशन मांगती है. सपोज दैट शुभम ने जब प्रेजेंट किया इस चेक को इन केस ऑफ ऑर्डर चेक, तो बैंक पूछेगा कि जस्ट प्रूव इट यू आर शुभम. तो शुभम को कुछ ना कुछ अपनी आइडेंटिफिकेशन, सपोज शुभम हैव टू शो आधार कार्ड और समथिंग एल्स जो प्रेजेंट करेगा कि हाँ यही शुभम है. सो इन केस ऑफ ऑर्डर चेक द बैंक इंसिस्ट on identification before payment. So students, just now we have discussed about the open check. What is the meaning of open check? Such a check having no two parallel line. It is encashed through the counter. We having two types of open check, bearer and order check. In case of bearer, we have used suffix bearer. It can be easily transferred to the one person to another person by mere the delivery. Endorsement not required. Bank generally identification is not required. Generally identification is not required in case of bearer check. In case of order check, we have to stick in this word bearer. This check will become order check, and payment have to, it's payable to the particular person, means here Aman. If Aman want to transfer, for example, if Aman want to transfer to Mr. Subham, so in this case endorsement is required, and I already explained what is the meaning of endorsement. With the particular person, endorser have to write the backside of the check, this check will be transferred to the particular person, and bank insist आइडेंटिफिकेशन बिफोर पेमेंट, मतलब पेमेंट से पहले बैंक आइडेंटिफिकेशन मांगती है किस चेक में, ऑर्डर चेक में. Which one is more safe in case of bearer and order? So no doubt order check is more safe than bearer. The next one we have to discuss about cross check. Next check we having cross check. Yes, already have discussed about we having two types of check, open check and cross check. Already we have discussed about the open check. What is the meaning of cross check? Listen carefully. So student, what is the meaning of open check? मैंने बताया था आपको कि such a check having no two parallel line, जिसके पास two parallel line नहीं हो उसको बोलते थे open check. What is the meaning of cross check? With the name we can understand, the name is a cross, it means such a check having two parallel line known as a cross check. And what about the cross check? In case of open check, it was encashed by in counter, but it was encashed through the, it cannot be encashed through the counter. Payment can only made in a bank account. It means in case of a cross check, bank account should be compulsory. Means pay के पास bank account होना जरूरी है. In case of cross check, cash payment cannot be made by the counter. Payment only made by account. So I hope it is clear for you what is the meaning of cross check. Such a check having two parallel line, and in case of cross check, it cannot be encashed through the counter. It can only encash through the bank account. Means bank account should be compulsory. How many types of cross check student? We having three types of cross check. First one is a general crossing, second one is a special crossing, and last one is account pay only. First of all, we have to understand what is the meaning of general crossing. It can be credited to account by pay, or pay can further transfer also. Means in case of general crossing, we have simply crossed the check. We have not mentioned the name of any particular bank. We have not mentioned any account pay. We have only crossed the check. It means this amount will be transferred. Like suppose that I have written 7,000 rupees. So this amount will be transferred to the Aman account. Aman के पास account होना चाहिए in case of general crossing. Or if Aman wants, means the payee wants to further transfer it to the third party, it can be transferred with the help of the endorsement. Already I have explained what is the meaning of endorsement. If Aman wants to transfer this check to any person, so how can he can transfer in case of general crossing? In case of general crossing, he can transfer a cross check, means in general crossing, with the help of endorsement. Okay. What is the meaning of special crossing? Listen carefully. In case of general crossing, we have not mentioned name of any special bank. किसी भी account बैंक में आपका account होना compulsory मांगता है. In case of which crossing? General crossing. But in case of special crossing, listen carefully. Amount can be transferred the said bank. Suppose that we have crossed the check and I have written SBI. I have written what? I have crossed the check and I have written SBI. So Aman have to account in which bank? In SBI bank. So which type of crossing it is? It is a special crossing. When we have crossed the check and we have mentioned the name of any particular bank and this check will be only transferred to that particular bank, this type of crossing is known as a special crossing. And when we have not mentioned any particular bank name, such type of crossing is known as a general crossing. And what is the meaning of account pay only? Yeah, account pay crossing. It can be credited to account of pay only. It is also known as a not negotiable check. Means this check will be not transferred to the next person. This amount will be only transferred to the which account? Only Aman account. Means कि अगर हमने यहाँ पे लिख दिया account pay only, so this amount will be only transferred to Aman account. This check will be not transferred to the next party. So student, we have discussed about cross check. What is the meaning of cross check? First of all, we have to discuss about the open check. What is the meaning of open check? Such a check having no two parallel line, it is known as the open check. It is encashed through the counter. In case of open check, bank account is not compulsory. In case of open check, we having two check, bearer and order. In case of bearer, we have used suffix bearer. In case of bearer check, it can be easily transferred to the one person to another with the mere delivery. Endorsement not required. It is a little bit risky in case of bearer check. Identification of the person is not required in case of bearer check. What is the meaning of order check? When we have strike this bearer word, it can be converted into the order check. This check will be transferred to only particular person. If payee want to transfer this check to the next person, endorsement is required. Generally, in case of order check, identification should be required. Bank insists for the identification. And what about the cross check? Such a check having two parallel lines is known as a cross check, and cash payment not through the counter. Payment can only made in the bank account. It means bank account is compulsory in which type of check? Cross check. We having three types of crossing: general crossing, special crossing, and account pay crossing. General crossing, we have only crossed the check. This check will be transferable. This check will be negotiable with the help of endorsement. Pay can be transferred this check with the help of endorsement, and this amount will be transferred to the bank account. No need of any particular bank account. No need of any particular bank or account only. In case of general crossing. What about the special crossing? We have crossed the check and we have mentioned the name of the particular bank, and then amount can be only transferred to the particular said bank. मतलब यहाँ पर मैंने लिख दिया था SBI, so this account will be transferred only amount to the SBI account. What about the SBI? What about the account pay crossing? This type of crossing, it can be created to the account of payee only. I have written name of Aman, so this amount will only be transferred to the Aman account. I hope you got the both point, open check as well as the cross check. I hope you got it. Thank you very much.
That's what they call me. I promise that you never be.